Welcome to another episode of Wayne's World Garage. This morning we went up to the garden to finish off planting the pumpkin seeds and just check them out. And as soon as we got to the top of the hill, we saw this activity going on right at the entrance to the garden. We took a careful look around like, what in the heck? It was the largest turtle we've ever seen on the planet. Well, probably not the planet, but on this property, it's the biggest turtle we've ever seen. And we started looking, and it turns out the big turtle was busy laying its eggs. So this is a video of a turtle laying its eggs. And Seamus, our new apprentice helper, has discovered that it's going to take apparently 3 months to 4 months for these guys to hatch. And here you go. Here's a quick video of it. It's pretty cool. Okay, well, that's it for the turtles laying eggs today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you next time.